Belize is located on the Central American mainland. The country is divided into 6 districts and has a population of approximately 300,000, with Belmopan being its capital. The national economy is based primarily on tourism and agriculture, which are responsible for over 50% of the country's GDP. The main agricultural crops are sugarcane, citrus, rice, and bananas. Banana cultivation is a very water intensive and water sensitive undertaking. Banana suckers, being 90% water, however, if submerged in water for more than 4 hours, the roots can begin to decay. This makes banana cultivation very vulnerable to climate changes and also water resource management practices. Consequently, drainage and irrigation are considered to be the 2 most important components in the cultivation process. Most of the banana farms in Belize extract water from a nearby stream or river. This water is then conveyed to farms using the force of mechanical or electrical pumps. This water is then fed through the farm using an under-tree sprinkler irrigation system. Climate change can have a serious impact on banana cultivation. Let's hear what Sam Matthews of the Belize Bananas Growers Association has to say about this.
The biggest problem that I think we have, and certainly we've seen this in the last 5 years, is that climatic events have become more extreme. Therefore, the dry period, as it is known, has not only got drier, but also got longer. And the wet period, while it may not have got wetter over the period, it is more intense.
Despite these circumstances, there is currently sufficient water to meet the needs of the banana sector. However, in light of future climatic projections, there may be drastic changes in the near and distant future. Let's hear Sam Matthews talk about some of these climatic uncertainties.
The crazy situation you get is that because the rain is so intense, you may get sufficient water during this particular day, during a wet season. 3 days later, you may need to irrigate.
Climate change is not just about environmental issues. There's also an economic perspective to it.
You really shouldn't look at climate change in terms of more hurricanes per year, drier periods during the year, more floods, greater floods. That's not really the issue. The issue is dollars and cents. It's how much it's going to cost. Yeah. Because, a banana's a banana, all right? And if Belize doesn't produce it, someone else is going to produce it. But whoever produces it, if they are affected by significant climate change, it's going to cost them money. And if it costs them money, believe me, somewhere along the line, the consumer's going to have to pay for it.
Agriculture, which uses over 60% of our available water, is influenced by climatic changes. We therefore need to adjust, adapt, and mitigate against their effects through water conservation, land use management, rainwater harvesting, and by reducing our carbon footprint.
Work all night and a drink a rum. Daylight come and we want go home. Stack banana till the morning come. Daylight come and we want go home. Come Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come.